Have you ever wondered why millions of hardworking people spend their entire lives working, yet never become truly wealthy? Every morning, they wake up, go to work, earn a paycheck, pay their bills, and repeat the same routine, month after month, year after year. They're not lazy. They're not unintelligent. So why do they remain stuck in the middle class? The answer isn't simply income. In fact, many middle-class families earn decent salaries. Yet despite working harder than ever, financial freedom always seems just out of reach. The truth is that most people are trapped in a financial cycle that they don't even realize exists. Today, we're going to uncover why the middle class struggles to build lasting wealth, and more importantly, how you can avoid the same trap. Let's begin. The first mistake is believing that a higher salary automatically creates wealth. Many people think, if I earn more money, all my financial problems will disappear. But reality tells a different story. As income increases, spending usually increases too. A bigger paycheck often leads to a bigger house, a newer car, more expensive vacations, and higher monthly expenses. This is called lifestyle inflation. Instead of becoming richer, people simply become more comfortable while staying financially dependent on every paycheck. The wealthy understand something different. They don't just increase their income, they increase their assets. Money is used to buy investments that continue generating more money over time. That's the first major difference between staying middle class and building real wealth. The second reason the middle class struggles to build wealth is relying on only one source of income. For most people, if the paycheck stops, everything stops. Bills continue, expenses continue, but the income disappears. That's why wealthy people rarely depend on just one paycheck. They build multiple income streams through investments, businesses, dividends, rental properties, or digital assets. Every additional income source creates more financial security. The third mistake is confusing liabilities with assets. Many people celebrate buying expensive cars, luxury gadgets, and designer products. But most of these things lose value the moment they're purchased. True wealth isn't measured by what you own. It's measured by what pays you back. Assets put money into your pocket. Liabilities take money out of your pocket. The wealthy focus on buying income-producing assets before buying luxury. That simple habit changes everything over time. Financial freedom doesn't happen overnight. It's built through thousands of small, smart decisions. Every dollar invested today has the opportunity to grow for years. That's the power of patience. That's the power of compound growth. And that's exactly how ordinary people slowly become financially independent. So can the middle class become rich? Absolutely. But it doesn't happen by working harder alone. It happens by thinking differently. Start living below your means. Build an emergency fund. Invest consistently. Avoid unnecessary debt. Learn valuable financial skills. And most importantly, give your money a job. Every dollar you save and invest today is a step toward financial freedom tomorrow. Remember, wealth isn't built in a single year. It's built through consistent habits repeated over decades. The good news is that you don't need to be born rich. You don't need a six-figure salary. And you don't need perfect timing. What you need is the willingness to make smarter financial decisions starting today. Your future isn't determined by where you are now. It's determined by the choices you make from this moment forward. Imagine where you could be 5, 10, or even 20 years from now if you started investing in yourself and your future today. Small actions, repeated consistently, create extraordinary results. If you found this video valuable, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more videos. about personal finance, investing, and building long-term wealth. Thank you for watching. And remember, the middle class isn't a destination. It's a starting point. Your journey to financial freedom begins today.